Hello guys, today we are in Ruiru, but specifically Matangi Junction. That's around 3.5 kilometers from Thika Superhighway, and we are here to see this 3-bedroom master and suite bungalow going for 7 million Kenya shillings. And before we get in, we have this spacious parking lot that can accommodate up to 3 cars, and then you have this mini garden for you. This garden you can improvise it and plant kitchen garden for yourself. And then there's this corridor that gets you into the backyard. Although there's nothing at the backyard, the only thing you can do at the backyard is provide for hanging area. And then as you enter the house, this is the facade of the house. Then you have this entry porch. So let's get in and see what the house provides. So as you enter the house, this is your living lounge or the family lounge. You can see it's very spacious. From that end to this end, it can accommodate at least 4 3-seater seats for you, and then you have this one as your dining area. And then this dining area comes with a sink, and also you have this window that provides natural lighting. As you can see, this lighting is not on, but there is still lights. You can see the stuffs, and then you have this provided as your breakfast bar, also accommodating the kitchen. And then let's see what is provided in the kitchen area. So in your kitchen, you are given these granite countertops, a very big working area for yourselves. You have that one as a cooking, provided for your freestanding cooker. And then you have this one provided for your fridge is going to stand at that end, or it can stand at the other end. You also have this door that leads you to the backyard, where you can put your machine washing, you can hang your clothes out there. And then after the kitchen, you have this as your master bedroom, and then the other end we have the 2 bedrooms. And as I said, the master bedroom is a suite. So let's go and check out the other bedroom. So as I said, the only ensuite is the master bedroom, but we have these ones, the toilet for you, for the shared bedroom. This is the toilet. And then the other one, that's your shower. And then this is the suite, and unfortunately this lighting, I don't know if it doesn't light, but you can see the window is big enough and it's providing natural lighting. And then the third and the last bedroom for us is here. And I want to believe you have also realized how they have provided ample storage spaces for your clothing. This is the storage for your clothing, enough window for every bedroom for lighting. So yes, now this house, as I said earlier, is going for only 7 million Kenya shillings. In case you are interested, call that number and we are going to talk. Thank you.